morning to one and all present here. I, Ishrat along with my friends, welcome you all to today's assembly. Prayer is talking to God Almighty, the creator of whole universe. So let's start our assembly with the presence of God, prayer.
For the nights and for the pleasant morning lights, forest and woods and loving air and all that makes the world so fair. Help us through the days we should to be others kind and good. In all we do, in all we say, to grow more loving every day, to grow more loving every day, to grow more loving every day. त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुः च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव.
Pledge is the way to show your love, respect towards the nation. So I would like to call Nityan Singh for pledge.
India is my country,
India is my country,
and all Indians
and all Indians
are my brothers and sisters.
are my brothers and sisters.
I love my country,
I love my country,
and I am proud of its rich and wide heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country, and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being, and prosperity alone, lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Nityansh every morning brings us a new thought, new words, new strength, and endless possibilities. So enlighten us and brighten our morning. Here comes Shreya Shankar for the thought.
Hey everyone, I Shreya Shankar from class 4 is here to present the thought of the day. Finding happiness is the real key to success. If you enjoy what you do, success will follow. I repeat my thought, finding happiness is the real key to success. If you enjoy what you do, success will follow. Thank you.
Thank you, Shreyash. Now I would like to call Rishabh Yadav for the important days of the month, January.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ishrat Yadav. I speak some important days of month of January. 1st January, New Year's Day. 2nd January, World Introvert Day. 4th January, World Brave Day. 9th January, NRI Day. 10th January, World Hindi Day. 12th January, National Anthem Day. 13th January, Lohri. 15th January, Indian Army Day. 23 January, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti. 25 January, National Muslim Day. 26 January, Public Day. 30 January, Veterans Day. Thank you.
Rishabh, newspaper informs us what is happening around the panoramic world. So rewind the happenings of yesterday. Here comes Utkarsh Kamal for the news.
Good morning everyone, my name is Utkarsh Kamal and today I am going to deliver the news of the week. Rafael Nadal withdraws from Australia Open 2024 with muscle tear. Rohit to lead team. Virat also back for T20s versus Afghanistan. All-rounder Kiran Pollard replaces Rashid Khan as MI Cape Town captain in SA20 League. Mela campus to be plastic-free, Kulhar and cotton bags to be used. 14 fire stations to come up in 6 sectors of Mar Mela campus. India's first solar mission craft Aditya L1 reaches destination. 774 fresh COVID cases in India. Navy trying to run down pirates involved in hijacking. Israel post-wars Gaza plan exposes divisions in government. US says Russia used missiles from North Korea and Ukraine. Thank you.
Girls, now I would like to call Naman Mishra for a wonderful speech about Lohri.
Good morning everyone, I am Naman Mishra of Class 4. I deliver a speech on Lohri. Lohri is a famous Punjabi festival. It is celebrated on 13th January every year. It is celebrated one day before Makar Sankranti. It is celebrated harvesting of rabi crops. It is celebrated around the bonfire. People offer till to bonfire and pray for their prosperity and happiness. They also eat good, rabadi, peanut, till good, laddu on the day. Lohri is celebrated at the end of peak winter. Lohri is believed to be a symbol of new beginning. Lohri is a festival of spreading love, happiness and togetherness. Thank you.
Naman, next I would like to call some of my classmates for a wonderful skit on Lohri.
Good morning everyone. I Shreya Shankar from class 4 is here to narrate this skit on Lohri. So the characters in this skit are Raj, who is excited about Lohri, Meera, a curious friend, and Grandma, who is traditional and wise. Scene: Raj's living room. Decorations for Lohri are set up.
Meera, get ready. The Lohri is just around the corner and we were having the best celebration ever. What's so special about Lohri, Raj? Lohri is a harvest festival which is celebrated with bonfire, music and dance. Joy, it's all about the community spirit.
Grandma enters the scene.
Lohri, a festival of togetherness and tradition. We must honor the harvest and seek blessing for prosperity. Grandma, can we make this Lohri action festival with a skit or something? Of course, dear. Let's make this skit which captures the essence of Lohri.
Scene transition to the skit. Act 1, Harvest Celebration. Harvest Celebration.
This scene transformed very well.
Raj and Meera pretend to harvest crops, sharing joyous moments. Act 2, Bonfire Ritual. Characters gather around the pretend bonfire, singing and dancing to traditional Lohri songs.
show devotion towards the motherland. All of you please stand up in attention position for national anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमालय